basic proportionality theorem, BPT or Thales theorem. Statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Based on this statement, we should draw a triangle ABC. Here, three sides are there. Which are the three sides? AB, BC and AC. In these three sides, the line is parallel to one side. So, I am drawing here DE is parallel to BC. BC is the side of a triangle. So, DE is parallel to BC. Data: in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Based on this statement, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, which is the side? BC is the side which is the parallel line. DE is the parallel line. So, data is in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Next one is prove. What we are going to prove? The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. The line DE divides the other two sides AB and AC in the 2 ratio. Which are the two sides here? AB and AC. The point D divides the AB into two parts, that is AD and BD. The point E divides AC in the two parts, that is AE and EC. The proof is AD by BD is equals to AE by EC. Next one is construction. Draw EN perpendicular to AB. Draw EN perpendicular to AB. DM perpendicular to AC. What is the construction? Draw EN perpendicular to AB, DN perpendicular to AC. Join BE and DC. Construction. Draw EN perpendicular to AB and DM perpendicular to AC. Join BE and DC. Why we should draw the perpendicular line? In the proof, we are finding the area. So, based on that, we should draw the perpendicular. Proof. We know the formula. What is the formula to find the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Here, AB is the base. Based on the AB, two triangles are standing. Which are the two triangles? One is ADE and another one is BDE. ADE and another one is BDE. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE, based on the same base. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE. We know the formula, half into base into height. So half into, in triangle ADE, which is the base, AD is the base, which is the perpendicular, EN is the perpendicular, because the perpendicular line is the height. Half into AD into EN. Similarly, in triangle BDE, which is the base, BD is the base, which is the height, EN is the height. We know in the numerator and denominator, which is same here, half is same, then EN is also same. So what is remaining now? AD by BD. It is equation number 1. Similarly, when we take AC is the base, here two triangles are there. Which are the two triangles? One is ADE, another one is CDE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. Half into, in triangle ADE, which is the base we selected, AC is the base. So in triangle ADE, which is the base, AE is the base, into, which is the height, perpendicular line is DM. So DM is the height. Similarly, half into, in triangle CDE, which is the base, CE is the base, which is the height, DM is the height, which is going to cancel in the numerator and denominator. Half and DM get cancelled. So what is remaining? The remaining is AE by CE. It is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, compare LHS. First, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, area of triangle ADE and area of triangle CDE. In this, numerators are same. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE are same. So, what we can write now? Numerators also equal. Area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle CDE. When LHS are equal, RHS is also equal. AD by BD is equals to AE by EC or CE. This is our proof. Most of the children, they confuse when we write the area of triangle. We can use the one trick. Which is the trick? We should remember ADE. ADE. So it is our proof. We should write here area of triangle ADE. Here also area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. Here also area of triangle. We should write here area of triangle. A after what we will get? B. B after what you will get? C. So, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle CDE. In this proof, already we are going to prove half into base. Here also half. AD by BD, what we are going to prove? Same thing. Here, AD perpendicular line is EN. Write here EN both sides. Similarly, half into what we are going to prove? AE by EC. Write here AE by EC. Which is the perpendicular line here? DM is the perpendicular line. Draw DM. I think we can remember easily. The proof is only this. If we remember, we can use this idea. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle BDE, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle CDE. In this, half, first proof is AD by BD. Here AE by EC. Here EN, DM, DM.